YouTube. I'm back with another video, and I'm back with the Dodge Demon, you guys. We are at Cars and Coffee Kuwait. We're at Kuwait Motor Town with all the racing. We're at a whole nother car show that you guys know I show love to. Cars and Coffee Kuwait. My guys Sultan and Louis put on a great car show, just like in America. They have caffeine, octane, cars and coffee, and so forth. We got a Demon, got a Scat Pack 440. We got everything. So let's take a look at what Cars and Coffee has. So first and foremost, we had the 2018 Dodge Demon. Yes, 962, full seats, full stereo, nothing gutted. And a 2018 Dodge Demon. Crazy setup, got the whole wheelie set up. Super clean. Then we have Sultan Scat Pack 440. You guys have seen it plenty of times on the channel with the brass monkeys. Full leather wrap. Cage in the back, you can't see because he's got dark tint now. Next to another plum crazy purple Dodge Charger 426 Hemi Challenger. Why did I say Charger? Challenger. You can't beat that. Old versus new. Got a GT350 manual, of course. Of course, we always see my dream car out here, the orange GT3 RS. I know the owner, and I always forget his Instagram name, but you can see a super clean roll cage, dry carbon wing. Got a nice SS Camaro, another SS Camaro on some nice weld wheels. I think those are Lagunas. Bagged out, maybe a stance. Bagged out Supra. I say Z51. Stingray, Corvette. Z51s are for the C8s, which is what we're coming to next. Rapid blue, one of the colors that's growing on me, especially with the almost kind of gunmetal machine-faced rims with the red outline. Got a nice Camaro SS, fisheye style. C7, there's nothing more iconic than the rear of the C7. You know it's a C7 if you're behind it. Got another Supra. Lotus, and of course a Cobra Mustang. You don't see those often, especially in Kuwait. And then an AMG G63 in white, another V8 turbo. I believe this one used to be yellow wrapped or gold wrapped. I'm not 100% sure. And they do track the car. But yeah, I think this was the one they do track. Used to be yellow in some of the videos, but now it is white. They took the wrap off. But there is our Cars and Coffee Kuwait group that is here at this event. You can't beat the deal. I may be biased, but what's your favorite car?
Keep going, stop. Exhibit A, my favorite car out here. Which I'm sure he probably said is his favorite car out here. But my favorite color car out here? This purple in the sun just hits so different. And it's not just straight purple, obviously. So, yeah. Favorite color? Favorite car. Favorite color? Favorite car. But I don't think that color would look good on that car. You feel me? Anyways.
You guys like that intervention of her taste in cars. We're going to take a look at some of these. They have music playing, so I hope they don't kill me on the copyright, but I'm gonna show you some of these cars. Again, this is Cars and Coffee Kuwait, the group I'm with every Friday. Shout out to Sultan. But we're about to be in the Inspire group of car shows. Show cars. Looks like we have a bunch of Corvettes. C6s, drag wing, welds, C7s. I'm gonna go down the line because I see nothing but Corvettes. You tell me what your favorite one is. They almost have every color. Matter of fact, in the comments, if you're still watching the video, let me know what your favorite year, model, and make Corvette is. Spec it if you want to. But yeah, they have every color. This is crazy. Can't go wrong with a C6. Never, ever. Especially in the yellow. This one has some nice welds with some stickies in the back. That is Z06 over there. Again, you can't go wrong. Corvettes are just everywhere. That's crazy. American Muscle and Quick. Now that you guys have seen some American Muscle, we're gonna mix some American Muscle, Godzilla, and ponies. And I'm gonna let her tell me her favorite one out of the GTR. We're gonna start with the GTRs. We're gonna go down the line. Let me take my glasses off so I can really see. She's gonna stop me when she gets to her favorite one. You got Sissio Performance Wheels. What? The blue one?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
We're still gonna look at the rest of them anyway.
But out of these ones down here,
All of them. All of them. They get to see all the spec. That's a nice spec wheel. Carbon. This is my guy, Slowly ZR1. He's got this and a C6 ZR1 and a Supra with a big turbo. You like this one?
yeah, favorite.
Why?
Color, rims.
Okay, so she likes the
I think it's a good combination.
powder coated bronze wheels, the color flip wrap in a sense. Okay. Okay. And the rest of them. Okay. The blue don't look bad. All right. But overall,
Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It looks more manly than anything.
well, she chose the blue one, and then of course another blue one. And then you can see we got Mustangs. 4 days, just like the Corvette row. American Muscle, import muscle. Y'all gonna kill me in the comments for saying that. But there is hundreds of cars in this meet. Then I'm walking between two of the cleaner old schools. We got a nice Mustang, orange Camaro. That's probably the best car out here, I'm not gonna lie. The Z28, orange and white. Then we also have a true drag car, Fox body style. Like I said, Corvettes are just everywhere. We got a ZR1 in yellow, carbon front splitter, glass hood, supercharged. But we're gonna show you the drag. It is a true drag car, plexiglass, full roll cage, 2 nitrous, parachute, everything you can think of, drag wing, 2 parachutes at that. This car better be the fastest thing out here, but this is a dream build. You're talking about a true race car, big supercharger. I mean, stickers for lights. You can't beat that. Twin turbo. You guys saw the car show cars, but I'm here for racing again. We have the Demon, the 440. Shout out to Cars and Coffee Kuwait. Shout out to Inspire Kuwait for putting on the event. This is today, tomorrow, the next day. We'll see how often I get out here. But you can see they are racing even more. But we are going to go check out more racing, so check out that video, right? 2 videos dropped, make sure you drop both. Drop a like, comment, let me know you watch both. Outside of that, that is it for the car show video, and we are out.